What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys it's all about Polymath, which has gained a decent amount of value in today's. As you can see here, it has 16% up in the last 24 hours, making it just under 23 cents. So again, as you can see, throughout the whole day of the last 24 hours it's been slowly and steadily gaining value. So where is it heading to next? Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it if you are on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is it worth investing into, especially going into 2023. Is this a crypto to be holding on to? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. In the last hour, the market is up 3%, and we can see Polymath is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. And again, in the last hour itself, it managed to gain just under 2% in value. Over the last day, 15%. Over the week, just about 3%. We can see a major drop here earlier or late last week, and then right now it's pumped back up. And over the month, it is an overall 12% up. We can see a major increase in value on the 8th of September, which was just over 2 weeks ago. As you can see, hitting 48 cents and then dropping all the way back down to 27. And yeah, it's just been getting worse and worse over the last few weeks, and right now it's currently sitting at 23 cents. So going into the coin market cap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by, let's have a look here, 700% in the last 24 hours, making it $80.3 million, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Polymath. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype recently. And as you guys can see here, we've got a massive 71% buy against 29% sell. So yeah, we do have a lot of people investing into the crypto right now. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the daily chart with the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Polymath at 0.2319. However, it is trading at slightly lower value at 0.2266, meaning it is not performing too well and slightly lower than expected. But again, it's very close, as you guys can see. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue line is slightly heading towards the negative direction. I know it's not looking too steep, however, we can see that it is just about looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, slanting towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction of each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Polymath to more or less trade around the 22 to 23 cents target. Even though, yes, it may hit 24-25 cents over the next few hours, it's going to be quite volatile. We are going to see green and red candles up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so more or less fluctuating at the current price range over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected. However, the only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not what I am predicting. Yes, we are going to see green days, but an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting. Again, it's not just going to be a drop, it's going to be a minimal drop in value over the coming hours. not hours, sorry, next couple of days, I'm expecting an overall drop in value, even though, yes, we are going to see it pump up in value here and there in between. The overall outcome towards the end of next week seems to be more on the negative side, dropping below the 21 cents target is what I'm expecting, heading towards the 20 cents towards the end of next week is what my predictions are so far. But again, guys, it all depends on how the crypto market performs in general. Now, moving on to the daily chart, what can we see here? Again, we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. The orange line is clearly going in a negative direction, and the blue line is clearly going in a positive direction. So an overall fluctuation in value is what is meant to take place or happen over the next few weeks. So I'm talking about late October, early November. More or less, the crypto should be fluctuating between 22 and 24 cents, somewhere in between there. But again, my predictions are, because if you zoom out a little bit, we can see it consistently dropping in value since about, let's have a look here, mid 2021, late 2021, it's been consistently dropping in value. Yes, it's had its peaks here and there in between, but overall it has been dropping. So I'm expecting more drops in value over the coming months. Dropping below the 20 cents target is what I'm expecting towards the end of this year and early next year as well. But again, if there are many major bull runs and price pumps in the crypto market, if you see Bitcoin going up to 35k, then we are also going to see major pumps, not just on Polymath, but the most cryptos out there. However, if it does go the other way around, Bitcoin drops to 10-15k, then we are going to see major drops on the whole crypto market as well. So this all depends on how Bitcoin especially performs and the crypto market in general as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone at the moment, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit 33 cents in target, which we are not too far away from. Only about another 50% increase is needed for us to hit this target, which is possible over the coming months. However, I am again expecting it to drop down in value. Yes, we can have a major bull run like what's happened here on the 8th of September, literally hit 47 cents, sorry, hit the green zone and then straight away drop back down. That's not really sustainable. It's not a strong project. What we want to see is for it to hit the green zone and stay in the green zone and potentially head upwards into the dark green zone. Even though it's going to take a while, that's what we want to see. We don't want to see it, peak up into the green zone and then straight away drop back down into the red zone. That's not really sustainable. But yeah, so far so good, guys. It's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for now, for the rest of the year, and potentially early next year we may be able to head into the green zone, but nothing like that is predicted as of yet. Anyways, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Polymath. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also let me know what your predictions are on this crypto. How high or how low do you guys predict Polymath to go in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching. Before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.